Hey, what's going on? It's Nova Kane back. Today, just gonna be an unboxing, not putting anything together, but I have a couple packages that I just want to get out and open them up and see what I got. 2 orders from Chems that I've been sitting on. I got 2 different sets of wheels right here. I got an order from Slush Cult and I got an order from Cult. These ones were the 1-cent blems that they had go up the other week, and I'm gonna save those for last because that's the cheapest thing that I got today. But let's open up one of these Chemses. Is that even a word? Let's open up one of these Chems packages. I'm just getting some cheaper parts for setups, so I could do, so setups aren't so expensive. I mean, $120 every set. Awful lot of money. $120, $125, $130. It's a little too much. So I'm currently on the hunt to try to put a professional fingerboard together that's a little bit cheaper. What do we got here? Got the 618 finger skate event coming up
August 9th.
It's in Illinois. Won't be able to make it, but if you guys are in Illinois, 618 is an actual physical shop. You can get fingerboard parts, fingerboard accessories, fingerboards. So yeah, that's cool. Threw me in a couple packs of slaps. That was for each box. Those are always good to have. And basically, I got 4 sets of hex trucks. I got a pair of purple base plates with a silver hanger. I got a pair of purple base plates with these gold hangers. Never had a gold truck before. I got these silver with blue, which are pretty nice. And then I just got all silver. Now the other 3 have upgraded bushing for them, so they're going to be a little different. I've tried the other hex trucks that I have. I have 2 other sets, and they got the basic bushings in them, which are kind of just like an O-ring. They're good. I always wind up getting hung up when I try to do like a grind or anything like that. I know when I talked to Colin from Chems, he said that these have the other ones have a upgraded bushing. I'm gonna try those out and see there's about a $5 difference, and then that's what the $5 difference is some bushings. These are a set of hybrid ones that he threw in, so I could try them out on $12 ones, and these are going to be different than these ones. So then I'll have 3 different ways to test out these hex trucks, try to get past that scraping issue. I got a dynamic 34 plastic fingerboard deck. I spoke to Alex Rodriguez one time. He was doing a live, and I asked him about how they are, and he said actually they're surprisingly good. It's a professional setup, but it's just a plastic board. So I'm going to try to set that up with those, upgrade the bushings, and then I got a pair of these white wheels. I think it said urethane on it. I'm not sure. They're about $12. That's about $12, and then you got a pair of those for $12. So that's going to be a $36 setup. This one didn't come with any grip or anything like that. I didn't know it just came all alone like that. I'm trying to set up a fingerboard for my buddy at work. We always talk about Mike Schneider and stuff like that because he used to watch him like years and years ago before I even was into fingerboarding when he was younger. So I wanted to surprise him and hook him up with a board and stuff and see if maybe he might get back into it or something like that. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's got a good feel to it. That's it compared to a 36. Just a slight little difference, but this is like an injection molded, which is something that I'm really interested in. You guys ever watch like the Craftsman on YouTube? It's one of my buddies, and that's all he does is injection molded stuff, and I really want to get into that, but it's a kind of a high cost entry on that. If you can get something like this on a regular basis, I mean, that's legit right there. Really like that. Looking forward to putting that together. And again, those are all the trucks. I got 4 pairs of trucks, and actually there was a deal one day, and that's why I ordered the extra 2, the purple sets. It was like 14% off, so I got 2 sets for $36. I've gotten 1 pair of dynamics for like the least I've ever paid is $36. So I got 2 trucks right there. Comes in handy when you're trying out new setups, and we'll just see how those bushings are. I'm excited on that. And those wheels, those are the same kind of wheels that they're called like K-Poly or something like that on a Chem site. I'll link everything down below so you can check them out. But they're just like if you watch my free fingerboard that I won from Chems, he threw in a pair of wheels, a little bit different than these. These are more like a bowl shape. I put those wheels on my daughter's board. I don't know where hers is at right now. I think that's gonna look cool. And then, on here you can customize it. You can throw all those slaps that we've been saving up for all these years. So that's a Chems order right there. That's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to setting that up. That might be my next video or the video after next. I'm not sure. Now I got an order. This is from Slush Cult. I ordered a set of wheels from them right before Rendezvous, or maybe it was during Rendezvous, so it took a minute to come from there. Never ordered from Slush Cult. I've been to the event coming up, going to another one. They sent me this little mini fingerboard thingy, little plastic one. I think it's like a keychain, I don't know. And I'm no good on a fingerboard anyways. This one's making me worse. Got the slaps they got right there. And here's what I ordered. I ordered a set of Bloob wheels. These are gonna be 79s, and they came in this like glacierly ice-age blue. Saving those for my next build. Those will go with that set of trucks. Lose off a little bit, but I think it'll work. I think that'll be pretty cool too. So yeah, those Bloobs. Interested in trying those out. Another fingerboard wheel brand from Canada, I believe. I believe they're from Canada. And I've had people hit me up in other videos when I do the wheel videos and say to try them out. So I'm trying those out. Got those other ones right there. So we got multiple wheels coming up to try out. And that's about it so far, you know. The final package, the one I've been waiting for. I saw, you know, I don't know. There's like thousands of people that liked the post that they were doing the 1 cent drop. They said there was Joint Cult said that there was 100 sets of blemished wheels available for sale. Now, if you look back a couple videos ago that I did, I ordered a pair of blems. I paid $35 for them. So to get these for 1 cent is a pretty good deal, especially knowing now, like, so 2 sets cost me $35.01 plus the shipping. You know, the shipping is like $6. But I'm not mad at that. I'm not looking at it. I'm just making sure I got everything out. And I got double laser eye guy stickers right there. Don't remember what I got. I think I got OG lights. So it looks like they are a lot smaller of a wheel than I'm used to. Those are super tiny. And it is a party pack, so pretty much nobody got the same kind of wheel. Looks like I got 2 clearish whitish ones. I got 1 black, and then I got like this tan coffee gray, something like that one in there. I don't know what board I'm gonna put these on. That'd be the ultimate for the budget board, but I still wanna try those out. Yeah, those are pretty cool. Small though, very small. You put them next to these ones, lights out. But hey man, I'm not mad at those. Those look pretty neat. So blems. So 1 cent. That's what I got for 1 cent. $6.01 ship. I didn't know what the size looked like or what the wheel looked like or anything like that. And it was like so fast. You had to be so quick to order them. So I just jumped on whichever one. I got the OG light. They almost look like they could fit on this board. Yeah, they do. But yeah, that's what I got. That's what I picked up. Those are some of the things that I'm working on. The Slush event coming up on the 31st. Try to put that board together too. Hook my buddy up with that one. See how he likes it. And yeah, I mean, I still got other things coming in. Future Nova right here. We had a late entry into the unboxing. I did get a package from Workshop. Again, there was a little mix up with the board the last time. Brandon the man, super cool. He hooked me up with a 36mm Band-Aid. This was the 34 popsicle. Still very nice, but this is what I had ordered. I got him during Rendezvous, and so he was probably on the plane, and who knows what happened. Not that he messed up. I wasn't even mad at it, but he sent me another one to, for the specs that I ordered. So I'm super grateful for that. I'm gonna get that one set back up over here. That's the shape that I enjoy, is that 36 Band-Aid that he does. So good looking out. Looking forward to putting that back together. All right, thanks, man. Just like being able to set it up a new board, try something out. I mean, I'm pretty set in my ways. I do like those the wheels that I got in the last video. Still using them. They're pretty nice. They're actually pretty good. I really like them. The blistered ones from Flatface. If you guys got any comments, questions, concerns, want to let me know, maybe what I should do, mix and match, color-wise, style-wise. We'll put something together, see how it goes. I'll see you guys in the next one.